A regularly updated website or web page typically run by individual or small group that is written in an informal or conversational style. Secondly, इसका verb में क्या काम है? Verb blog, third person present, blogs, past tense, blog, past participant, blogged, gender and present participant, blogging. A new material to your regularly update a blog. It's about a week since I last blog. Write about an event, situation, topic, etc. in blogging. Background to the video game release and your story quickly went viral. Blog. A blog is a discussion of informal website published on the World Wide Web consisting and discreet, often informal diary style, text entries post, small groups and often covered a single subject of topic. Four common types of blog. Let's take a look at the most popular types of blog that exist. Fashion blogs. Fashion blogs. What is fashion blogs? Fashion blogs are one of the most popular types of blogs on the internet. Second, food blogs. Food blogs are another popular blog type. Travel blogs, music blogs, lifestyle blogs, fitness blogs, sports blogs, dive blogs. Making a blog, start writing and get online. It's fun, free and easy to make on blog with Wix. Get started today. Traffic generation tools, multiple payment method, SEO wizard, customize, online store, markets, leaders. Who do you write a blog example? Understand your audience, create your blog, customize your blog theme, identify your first blog post topic, come up with a working title, write an intro, and make a creative writing, organize your content in an outline, write your blog post. Outline blog post title. First of all, link and original story. Author. Enter your author name. Due to date. Enter your due to date. Published. فرسٹ آف آل آپ نے جب اپنا لنک کا آرگنائزیشن جو لنک ہے آپ نے جس بھی اسٹوری کے اوپر جو آپ اس کو ٹائٹل دے رہے ہیں اس کا آپ نے لنک پرووائڈ کرنا ہے. اس کے بعد آپ نے جو آتھر ہے اس کا نام اس میں انٹر کرنا ہے. اس کے بعد جو آپ جو ہے اس کی ڈیٹ آپ نے جس ڈیٹ کو ڈیو کر رہے ہیں وہ آپ نے ڈیٹ مینشن کرنی ہے. پھر آپ نے پبلش ڈیٹ اپنی مینشن کرنی ہے. پھر نیکسٹ جو ہے آپ کا جو ہے انٹر ٹارگٹ جو ریڈر ہے یا بائر پرسن ہے اس کا آپ نے ایڈ کرنا ہے. ٹھیک ہے. بلاگ پوسٹ ٹائٹل. میک شیور یور ٹائٹل کلیئرلی آئیڈینٹیفائی بریکنگ نیوز اسٹوری اینڈ رنز فار 60 characters or less. Introduction. Lead into a post with a short 100 to 20 words. Introductions. Be sure to highlight the quick facts, and they are you now, with a link and original story if available. The reason why what you are talking about is important. Who, what industry, or what sector on the industry this apply to. What you will be covering in this post will explain that is reportedly happened. Who, It may affect your company and provides 4 tips for what do next. What happened? Flesh out of the story in the more detail than the intro with more background information and scores. Keep the first part of this session, and if you feel compelled to input your opinion on the story afterwards. Interesting your opinion and can be questionable move, so make sure you get okay from appointment sketch before publishing opinions, particularly and sensitive news story. What's happening now? Next optional. If the story is still breaking, you may want to leave this blank. However, if adjust and settled and you have reliable information on what is real facts in this news story will be mention them. Here, so reader, now what to expect. यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको? नेक्स्ट अब हमारा आ गया व्हाट इज अ ब्लॉग. A blog is an online journal and informal website displaying information in the reverse order. Blog characteristics: archives, comments, blogs, and website. Did you know you can earn money through blogging? A blogger, someone who runs and controls a blog. To be a blogger is an alternative career or job to money. Blog structure. Header with your menu navigation bar, main content area with highlighted and latest blog post. Sidebar with social profiles, favorite control, content or call to action. Footer with relevant links. What is footer? Footer with relevant links, the disclaimer, privacy, policy, content, page, etc. Why blog post? Basic blog structure. Header with a menu or navigation bar. Main content. Basic of blog structure. This is basic of blog structure. Main content with highlight or latest blog post. Sidebar. First header, second main content, third sidebar, fourth footer. Sidebar third with social profiles, favorite content or call to action. Footer with relevant link like a disclaimer, privacy policy, content page, etc. Blog post ideas to share a favorite thing. What are your favorite blog? Who is your favorite character and who do you think are you like? If your favorite book has not been made into a movie yet, who would you cast for the characters? What are your go-to apps? What are your favorite blog lines? What is your favorite memory? What is the best gift you have ever received? Your favorite blog post from the month. Best imply photography tutorials, films, music, business, etc. What are the best events that you've been last year? What's on your current playlist and what does your playlist say about you? Create a roundup of best topic posts from last week, last month, last year. What is your favorite way to spend to spend a day off. What make a quality of blog post? Tips only for you students. First of all, title. Does your title explain what your post will be about? Encourage visitors to read on. Paragraph. Do you break uptake into short paragraphs to make it easier to read? Bullet points work well, or list our key points so. Visual. Do you have a picture or some short or visual on the post? Videos, slideshows, PDF forms, documentary forms. Links. Do you include links on your post to other posts you have written or inspirational ideas you have come across on the web? Fonts. Are the fonts you use easily to read? If you are using color, do they stand out against your background? Prof. Have you proved your work before publishing? Check your spelling, grammar, punctuation, spelling, spacing, vocabulary, synonyms. Digital citizenship. Have you checked your have are not relevant your personal information? یہ پہ. Or copy text, images work that does not belong to you. Categories and tag. Do you assign your post to at least one category? Bonus points if you use tags. Organize your post room. Questions. Do you include questions at the end of your post to encourage visitors to leave a comment? Comments. Do you approve comments quickly and write polite replies? Now complete now our intro of blog writing. یہاں تک اگر کسی کا کوئی کویشچن ہے تو وہ پوچھ سکتے ہیں. نیکسٹ ہم اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. یہاں تک سمجھ آ گئی ہے سب کو؟ سو گئے ہو؟ کیا کیا پڑھا ہم نے اس میں؟ ویوز پڑھے ہیں، انٹرو پڑھا ہے. کیا سمجھ آیا آپ کو اس میں؟ نیکسٹ ہم اس کو لکھیں گے کہ ہو ٹو کریٹ یا ہو ٹو رائٹ افیکٹو بلاگ. سب کو سمجھ آ گئی ہے؟
کچھ پوائنٹ میں
اب لو ٹھیک ہے. اس میں فرسٹ آف آل آپ نے جو کرنا ہے اس کی آپ کو سٹارٹنگ پہ انفارمر جرنل اینڈ ویب سائٹ جو انفارمیشن ہے اس کے بارے میں آپ نے کرنا ہے. ٹھیک ہے. ڈفرینٹ وے میں کوئی بھی آپ کا ہو سکتا ہے. جو بلاگ سٹرکچر، پھر آپ نے جو اس کا سٹرکچر ہے آپ نے ایک بلاگ کا وہ کیا بنانا ہے، کس طرح سے بنانا ہے، آپ اس کو یہ پوائنٹ لکھ لیں. ٹھیک ہے. اس کے 4 پارٹ ہوتے ہیں جب آپ بلاگ سٹرکچرنگ کر رہے ہوتے ہیں. بیسک بلاگ، ہیڈر، مین بیسک پارٹس رہ گئے تھے. انمیوٹ کر لیں جس کا جہاں سے مس ہو گیا بتائیں. سمجھ بھی آ گئی ہے کہ کس طرح سے اس کو رائٹ کرنا ہے سائڈ بار. پھر اس کے بعد جو میں نے آپ کے ساتھ فیوریٹ تھنگس شیئر کی تھی بلاگ پوسٹ کے آئیڈیاز، وہ سب نے لکھ لی ہیں یا اس کو انڈرسٹینڈ کر لیا کہ کس طرح سے اس کو کریٹ کرنا ہے. ایک تو آج شور ہی بہت آ رہا ہے. آپ کا اسما کوالٹیز آف بلاگ پوسٹ کی یہ بھی لکھ لی ہیں. ہم سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. How to create a effective blog. blogs, who to create effective blogs. Effective blog ہم ان کو کس طرح سے لکھ سکتے ہیں. What is a blog? A blog or a web blog in a journal that a frequently update and intended a journal public consumption. ٹھیک ہے. blog consists of a title, body, permalink and the post date. Title, the main title or heading of the post. First point. Second, body, main content of post. Third, permalink and URL of a full individual article. Fourth, post date, date and time the post was published. A blog entry optionally includes the following: comments, categories of tag, subject that entry discuss, trackback, third trackback and pingback, links to other sites that refer to the entry. Then, before you begin blog writing, consider the following points. Blogs should contain, first of all, ideas, second, organization, third, voice, fourth, word choice, fifth, sentence fluency, اور sixth ہے آپ کا presentation. Then I will explain in this blog should contain. Ideas. Ideas are the stuff of which message are made. Organization, ordering ideas logically so that they make sense. Voice. Voice is a tone and style, right, that you choose to suit the target audience. Word choice. Word choice is a finding the perfect word to convey the message in an effective manner. Sentence fluency is a make the reading move and pace, flow and rhythm. Presentation. Presentation is a preparation of the written message in the way that attracts reader attention. While writing a blog, write with the reader in mind. Remember WIIFM. Words WIIFM means what's in it for me. Your reader will read your post looking for what's in it for them. Content. Make it valuable and worthwhile. Don't waste people's time. Proofreads, photops and glaring grammatical error. Keep it short and simple, as most online readers are scanners. Lengthy means uninteresting journaling. Lengthy means uninteresting journaling. Keep it lively and interesting. Style should be direct and crisp. First of all, write like you're speaking to your friend or to yourself. Just get to the point quickly. Second, keep in mind the 5 was the first paragraph: who, what, why, when, and where. Publishing short post. More frequency is better than publishing lengthy articles every few weeks. Publishing short post more frequently is better than publishing lengthy articles every few weeks. Link often, as it builds credibility. Use keywords. This will help you stay on course, and the search engines will love your blog. Write clearly. Short sentences. Only one concept per sentence. Then no doublespeak or jargon. No more than one idea in one sentence, as you don't want to confuse the reader. Spoon feed them. Use commas and dishes library. Write like you talk. First of all, it's okay to use common expressions from speech and other peoples and other worldwide. Don't even go there. Now I ask you, use a clear headline and don't be afraid to make bold statements, but don't mislead people. To sum up, the basic guidelines for blog writing are: keep your copy factual, tight, clear, short, and search engine optimized. Happy blogging!